Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And listen, I know the weekend is almost over. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you had fun. Make sure you get some rest because the Monday grind, before we know it, it will be upon us. All right, y'all, we got GS back in the building again. If you have not checked out this guy's lineup, this guy does a really good job on creating awesome watch faces. Now, the name of this one is called GS Digital 12 Hours. Now, I like this because it has that retro look. It also takes me back to the old Casio days, so I'm loving this one. And always on mode, you're pretty much for the Gears 3, you're going to get the same look as if the watch face is on. It's going to be in a black and white theme for both the Gears 3 and the Gears 2, but the Gears 2 is going to look slightly different than that of the Gears 3. But once you turn it on, you greet it with this retro look again that I love, and you get a nice big bold digital time in the middle with a PM stamp. You get your heart rate information, battery, your steps, animated seconds, which I love. I like the animated seconds. And you also get the days of the week down at the bottom. You got an arrow that points up to the date, just in case you don't know what day it is. And you also get your date down at the bottom with a couple of shortcuts, weather, your settings you can tap into. Same thing with you can make a phone call. Got an alarm over here that you can set. So this is definitely a good look. And you can customize this to a small degree. Okay, so if I double tap, I can change the theme a little bit of the watch face. Not bad at all. And if I tap all the way at the top, I get 12 colors in which I can customize and just double tap until I get to the color I like, or the color that I want to color coordinate with whatever it is that I'm wearing for that day. So I thought the developer definitely did an awesome job with this digital watch face. But at the end of the day, you know what it's all about, people. It is all about you. All right, you all, let's check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2. Now, number 2 is nice, but it's in reverse of number 1. So you get a black and white thing, which also increases battery life because it's low energy, and you get the same exact look as number 1. Okay, so in the AOD mode, it's going to look the same as it does on number 1. The Gears 3 is pretty much going to have the look as if the watch face is on. The Gears 2 is going to have a slightly different look, but you're still going to be able to see your time with no problem. Now, once the watch face is on, everything that you had on number 1 is exactly the same. The features are the same. You double tap here, you can change the theme just a little bit, but if you tap up here, you can change the color, and the colors on this one looks a lot better than the colors on number 1, in my opinion. Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this one, because I definitely thought this was a good look. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I will see you all again at the next video. Take care.